We're back against Sleaford East with Fabe. I'm not gonna like this. Hangman! Hangman! That made it worse. The blur's not my problem, blame the person called Imogen. The time is now 15:55, 8th February 15:56. Tuckler 56, East Midlands train service from Peterborough to Lincoln Central. No, you can't even see it. I'm going to try, but I know I'm going to fail. That was actually better. There. It was exactly about 18 minutes in. What he's got to do is couple a car. Apparently needs 18 minutes for it. Like, it apparently takes 18 weeks to even stick like a new light on a car. Of course it doesn't. And it's coming from this way. Do I stick for 16:10? Of course I do, because it's only 15:56. Bus over there going towards Cranwell for Sleafordian. Here she is. We've got all fire 3:10. All fire 3:10 to Lincoln Central. And up they go.